Hi, hello, good morning children. I am Vijayalakshmi from Tiny Dots Group of Schools. I am teaching social studies for first class students. Okay children, how are you children? You are small kids, you don't know what is happening outside. So you have to take care of your health. Stay in your home only, don't go outside. And play in your house only. Take and wash your hands five or six times for the day and use sanitizers children and listen to your parents words also. Okay, already we started lesson number 6, my sweet home, my sweet home, and I completed half of the lesson, but I will explain one more time now. Before going to that, I'll ask you one question. I'll ask you one question. All of you open your homework notebook and write the answer for this. And write the answer for this. Okay. See, what type of clothes you wear in winter season? Already I explained in the previous lesson. Clothes, about clothes. What type of clothes do you wear in winter season? Winter season, Chalikalam. Okay, this is the first question. And second question is, what type of clothes do you wear in summer season? In summer season. This is the second question. And third question, what type of clothes do you wear in rainy season? Do you wear in rainy season? These three questions you have to remember them and write the answers for these questions in your homework notebook, children. Okay. And I'll ask you one more thing. Already I sent you 5 lessons class work through WhatsApp. I think your parents got it. Open your class work notebook and write them neatly. How did I write it? See the notes properly and take the help of your parents and write it neatly. Okay. And I'll ask you one more question, children. Are you doing your homeworks every day? Do your homeworks. What the teachers are giving through YouTube classes. Okay. Now enter into the lesson. What are we going to learn in this session? Rooms in a house. Rooms in a house. First one, what is the need of house? We need a house to live in. We need a house to live in. మనం ఉండడానికి ఇల్లు కావాలి. The place in which we live is called a house. When do a house become home? When does a house become home? A house becomes home when we are living with our family. When we are living with our family. There are two types of houses. Pakka house and kacha house. Pakka house and kacha house. Pakka house is strong and permanent. Kacha house is temporary and weak. Temporary and weak. In these two houses, the Pakka house is very strong and very useful to us to live in. Then we don't get any harms or we don't get any damages if we live in a Pakka house. Why? Because it is completely well constructed. బాగా భద్రంగా జాగ్రత్తగా కట్టబడింది. It protects us from any natural problems. Okay, it is made with the bricks, cement, sand, iron, steel, glass, wood, etc. And it is a permanent, and we can see this type of houses in cities. Nowadays we can see in villages also. Okay, and next one, kacha house. Kacha houses are made with mud, straw, bamboo and leaves. These are temporary and a little bit weak houses than pakka house. Mostly we can see these kacha houses in villages. But which house is more strong? Which house is the most perfect house for living? Pakka house. Pakka house is the perfect house for living. Whatever we are living, that house is suitable to us and it should be comfortable to us and it should be enough to us. మనకు సరిపోవాలి, మనకు కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉండాలి. I'll ask you some materials names. Tell them for which house they are used. Bricks. For which house do we use? Pakka or kacha? Pakka house. And straw. For which house we use them? For which house do we use them? For kacha house. Straws are used for kacha house. Iron, iron, iron is used for pakka house. And bamboo, bamboo is used for kacha house. Bamboo is used for kacha house. Okay children, these are the different materials used by the people for constructing pakka or kacha house. Okay, now enter into rooms in a house. How many rooms do you have in your house? Tell me. Mainly, which type of rooms we can see our house normally? We can see a kitchen, we can see a hall, bathrooms are needed. So, I am going to explain about the rooms in your house. Rooms in your house. Children, look at the textbook. This is the drawing room. This is the drawing room. Drawing room is used for receiving guests and spending time with family. We can keep TV there, we can keep computer there, sofa will be there, divan will be there. We can sit there freely with our family and we can enjoy and we can receive the guests. ఇంటికి వచ్చే చుట్టాలు కానీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కానీ డ్రాయింగ్ రూమ్లో కూర్చోబెడతాం. We can't take them to our bedroom or we can't take them to kitchen directly. So first one is rooms. See children, rooms. What are the rooms? First one, drawing room. First one, what is the first one? Drawing room. What is the first one children? Drawing room. Drawing room is used to receive guests and to spend with our family. To spend with our family. G-U-E-S-T-S, guests. Okay. And second one children, see, look at this picture. This is bedroom. Do you have bedroom in your house? What do you do in your bedroom? You sleep on the bed. You sleep on the bed and you take rest in your bedroom. You take rest in your bedroom. Okay. You take rest and sleep. Sleep in your bedroom. A cot will be there and mattress will be there and you can sit there freely and you can take rest and sleep. And we will sit there in night time. We sit there in night time. This is about bedroom. And third one, kitchen. What is the third one? Kitchen. Kitchen means వంటగది. హాల్ అన్న లేకుండా ఉంటుందేమో ఇంట్లో కానీ కిచెన్ మీన్స్ కంపల్సరీ needed. Why? Because this is very useful for cooking food. Kitchen is used for cooking food. Kitchen is used for cooking food. And we have to cook breakfast, lunch, dinner in the kitchen room. After that we will take to hall or dining room and we will eat it. Next one, bathroom. What is the next one? Bathroom. Bathroom is used to wash or to take bath. మనం స్నానం చేయాలంటే వాష్ చేసుకోవాలన్నా bathroom is needed. Do you have bathroom in your house? Yes, obviously. Compulsory. Bathroom is compulsory in our house. Next one, dining room. Dining room is used to eat food. In our house. So, see, children, this is the bathroom. We can see mug and tub in bathroom. And this is dining room. We can see dining table in dining room. But I tell you one interesting thing, children. So, some people are living in only one room house. Why? Because they are poor people. They can't put money for building the house with a lot of rooms. And it is useful for all activities: dining, cooking, sleeping, and eating food and taking rest. So this one room only is useful for doing all the activities by the people. These houses are called one room house. Poor people only stay there in that one room houses. Okay, so but if we have 2 or 3 rooms, we can feel comfortable and we can live happily and we can take rest easily. At least 2 or 3 rooms house is needed. Bathrooms, bedroom and kitchen. These 3 rooms are needed compulsory for living and for constructing a house. Okay children. Oh, this is about the house. All of you open your homework notebook and write this word web in your homework notebook. we did. First one, drawing room for receiving guests. For receiving guests and spending with family. Spending with family. Second one, bedroom. Second one, bedroom. Taking rest and sleeping. Taking rest and sleeping. And kitchen for cooking food. For cooking food. And next one, bathroom. Bathroom is used to take bath and wash. To take bath and wash. And next one, dining room. Dining room is used for eating food. For eating food. Which type of furniture can we see in these rooms? Drawing room, sofa, chairs, and TV table, and computer table we can see in drawing room. And we can see bed, double cot or single cot bed in bedroom. And we can see gas stove, mixie, grinder, plates, glasses, like that type of cooking utensils we can see in kitchen. And bathroom, mug, bucket, towels, soaps, this type of things we can see in bathroom. And in dining room we can see dining table and chairs. Dining table and chairs. Children, I will ask you one question. Cot is used in which room? Cot is used in which room? Mansam ఏ room lo untundi? We can see in bedroom. And sofa is used in which room? Drawing room. Gas stove is used in which room? Kitchen. And table, dining table is used in which room? Dining room. So this is about the rooms in a house. Look at the first one, drawing room. Drawing room. Second one, bedroom. Bedroom. Third one, kitchen. Kitchen. And fourth one, bathroom. Bathroom. And fifth one, dining room. Dining room. This is about the rooms in our house. Rooms in our house. A house is used to live in and to protect from heat, cold, rain, insects, thieves, and wild animals. And wild animals. We have different types of house. Pakka house and kacha house. Pakka house and kacha house. Pakka house is built by bricks, cement, sand, iron, steel, wood, etc. Kacha house is made by straw, bamboo, leaves, branches, twigs, etc. So this is about the houses which we are living. Children, you write this in your homework notebook and write 2 more times. Already I sent you 5 lessons of classwork notes. You enter that notes in your classwork notebook and do the homework in your homework notebook, children. Okay, bye.